everyone, I'm Maricho Petrosky. Don't forget to visit our website for more recipes. And for today's video, we are going to make special maja blanca or coconut pudding with latik. Let's get started! First, butter the baking pan generously with 1 to 2 tablespoons of softened, unsalted butter. Then set aside for later. Let's begin mixing the ingredients. Pour 1 cup of whole milk into a measuring cup. Mix in 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch in 2 additions. Whisk until corn flour dissolves. Make sure to divide and mix the cornstarch into 2 additions so that they dissolve quickly. Using a large pot, carefully pour the cornstarch slurry. Shake a can of coconut milk. Then carefully pour it into the mixture. Then shake a can of evaporated milk. Pour it also into the pot. Add a 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Mix in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Give it a good mix to combine. Add a cup of frozen or fresh corn kernels. Place the pot onto a stove. Bring it to a simmer over medium heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of coconut rum. Mix it well. When the liquid starts to bubble on all sides, begin stirring continuously as the bottom will start to solidify. Do not stop stirring to prevent the bottom from getting burnt. Stir vigorously as the mixture thickens. When the mixture becomes translucent and starts to pull away from the pot, it's ready to be transferred immediately into the serving pan. Pour it right away into the buttered pan before it starts to harden. It should come off the pot easily. If not, use a rubber spatula. Spread it evenly and flatten the top. If available, use a silicone spatula to prevent from sticking. Cover all corners evenly. Then top it with the coconut milk curds or latik. You may also add toasted coconut flakes and cheese if any. Allow this to cool down completely. For a firm texture, place into the fridge for 2 hours before serving. And there you have it, my special maja blanca with latik. Enjoy!